An óiarnach gur chuig na fórnas ra thulas a Craobh Iomána Mionúr na míos siar a chábhas a dó ní raibh Mionúr na bliana seo saoilethe fiú. Le fethe an Craobh Mionúr bóta an dá chaanté an aireocht a Chainnigh dal céim fantastic ar a gcórsan an i gcéad Craobh a chábhid sa cairde go bhóchant. Nún aireocht leis an Tiobraid Iomána a hart dá lucht leanúna le bua fa ís. Bhí Brian Tyres is Donald Grady a gael Chainnigh de chlé ceanna Iomána Mionúr na bliana seo ortha ag Electric Ireland.
Agus sin marí céanna a gheoig bhí arás ar fad an lá deireadh. Annach het spáisian sa trúr cosantóil gan ánach ein bháin agus fermathe Cillian Mionúr agus an Counson seóta go glóirteige. Nú beidir go níanach. No. Carta dearg an dúirt. Mionúr sa tlua óntas na nóntas tá bhudlach buile le sin. Cillian Mionúr an tosaí is contúraí acu ach a gháin le stoilin go sé gain an méid a hálaigh do thuairim.
Well, cíimiid in isise an sannaid de bhí an réitor a fan gur thug sé buile dó ceart go leor just bhúd sin lena chamána.
Dhéann sé teanga bháil. Bheith nach námh spáir na bí seráilta náidir le Adam Ryan an son anna cheann fachtaige siúd agus bhfuil péinteige ardú menaman an son de Hebert Árann.
Ja, bhín ceann an a háachtaigh an son Adam Ryan ag dul sús na scaman an son agus ag brethir an líróid agus Helen Trasnán.
Barco. Trastagaí Brennan. Deis na scórála chora mar a hárlaíonn sé. Stachan sa agus fápas típi café Bill McDermott agus tá cúl fachta again captain and son an tríú cúl sa bachtas again.
Yeah, well, McDermott imisteach himil na ceanóig agus lante gona do weir, but fastas gur thuga ó do weir an ómas spástó líc sé do an líróid a bhré an son agus just le flick tapping an son isteach sa cúl.
Ingansi Cill agus Brennernish. Council is skirra begáin den gomáin. Lecha an ósan sannaige thuúla nach fachtaige Billy O'Brien. Bhín sé gomá agus an pass live a ráid chofad le Stefan Tobin agus ó Lord na Park mó an taction dietaige. Naine mutia go le caite a barcí an úláin peinte a scarút na bhórna. Seachúninis Jack Dollard a gortaíoch an náidir na chanig ragan isteach as bhí sé rás. Captain an nacht a hénig tranóna agus tá peinte all in ar fad. Fachtaige Bill McDermott. Agus tá stop correlation imirt an san hawl tá Dollard sínte.
Yeah, well, big ar a leiad carta buí an so cíimiid an son
Ar a leiad. Well, tá sé dul a drón taobh léine agus tá an tarn na carta dearg ar a dúirt. Tá spáirteach an generator dara ó thóra an trosa agus is trámlaí amachas seanis do Hebert Árann. Tá 8 neomat agus nachmúr 9 neomat ó scóráildre go dearnach ó an dahan mu sé tite garid is bailach. Tá cúl! Fachta de frontanas ag Hebert Árann batúnaige Jacob Doherty. Cédíoracha.
Yeah, bhí sé, cuma go raibh an ómid amid ag an son agus an líróid ag tactaisteach. Bhí sé tite begáin in hana gúil an bíonna go mbeadh sé níos fearr bead an bhúil lena chamáin.
Batúnaige Owen Brennan. Anachasach sa tarna le ag Hebert Árann. Tiernan Ryan a dul isteach sa gleic. Ewan Murray Anna Elliott ar fad ach sellivante an nudas táchtaí agus tá méid sin ige bhfuil le héad a chuinte ige Ewan Murray. Mikey Rowan, seoltasteach an dro McDermott again, chéad teanga bháil go maith. A dhéanamh isteach an dro an chúil agus tá sé chur trast an chúil fós san imirt. Ross cosise buirte ige Dara English. Billy O'Brien a bhí mar spiúcach fare sin smachta agus rathalú a mé an bhúisteach na bháin agus ar úpód a bhaise Conor Hoolan a game shown a spricke. Tahan a Craobh deal a Henniganson a master tussa hele Ewan Murray time British stop Elish again Robbie Doherty the top painted saga Mahas the painter wing a cool a British tree in the Duberdach fade to get Doherty.
Well, you know, Vini, Sula, Shin and I just don't honning on Brisha, Robbie Doherty, Dollamach and son, Fehis Latamach, just Brisha, Stackenson, and Triolina, I guess Anna score and son, I guess just forgot the next Sue, better go good at Shannon, Trash on Anna, Will on son of Eagle, Trash on and a good boiler. And I even is listening young choice, just John Quager, so on Buntosh, listen to Cousin Tory.
Fachte against the Tussa, agus again Verno Chainnigh, Austin Duff. Ewan Murray, agus Tasha, Shin the Treen, to the Forna, Erchohara. And I know in Deal on Chussentora, Cahill O'Reilly, Dientagama again, Mullen, Sugary Dollard. Dackard a Rahent Gul, Bertz of Reshiga, Chainnigh. Mullen a Rish, Nadra Mesher O'Vecht and Basson, to Lavrig again. Agus Nura Mullen Marlinert, come on it live, it's your son. Willen Finnebone, Goffalash Digdalina Krug Vedra Stad, Ach Conor Hoolan, a Creelish, good Jake and turn the dish, good tish day. Craobh, no will you come tossing again. Craobh,
Agus big 5 in this, like Farkle Cainnigh.
Council Order is to draw Bill McDermott. Agus tá Fairlash stick the Southern East. Na Mikey Rowan it's on a stick on Schlitter. Well near Rastig and Schlitter and Lane agus vi right again Metfair cooler shin. Cadé drama. Couple rip fair idir Cainnigh agus an cool. Barco Arist and Trussa Tomonted Trasna. Ach sé McDermott is book. Oh no Dwyer. The coward and saw Ewan Murray. She fainted the Guntail. Anna Fascado, Craobh will. The Phil Brescia, Billy O'Brien. The chance to get Billy F. Wachtin. Tasha Trishna Tiobraid. A fantastic. Louis Raggett. A Machkadi Jake Mullen. Farma Edirfa. Pass out the Keen Gadi Hoolan. A Chainnigh Count Dernach 4 agus an ceann sa a mithe a láistigh an gcóile agus táimid chomhthar go leist. David Ryan. Orta spátas a geisiú, tromhlíonn de hinseir Heberdáin in Drahar Johnny in a mascach an éireann faoi fehead a bhíonn cléithe canisteir na amach chaildearn saithe an éireann Mionúr chuma Cadé Ardú Cree, Cadé Ardú Manaman, Cadé Peita again Ewan Murray. Reach Toss Boston saw agus tá Cantwell is Shellivan Clitter is Techa Dro Murray a Hennig agus Larry Phelan a Gumra Scoil Lena Chéile Bert Ahach Stechna Oisin Henderson ach tá Schlitter Arda Leishan Soige Austin Duff agus tá Deshiga Tibberdarn Ghol 3 feet of fantastic Tá Mionúr a Yeshkin and Sagan Ma Wunchid a Shaw Besharing Ashkis Faragin Woodlock Marvan Stower a yin the Hemirori Fork the Hemera ach Muratu Gimmer to Gun in the Gats Nivi and the Bort Shine took a foul Stechan Zogany Clifford August Tom Cool again Anthony Clifford Car Dromatul Ella.
Yeah, you know, it's nice cool and poacher man there for just slowing shit stack on cool agus Pusha last modern cool boiler down English.
Jake Donlan Hoolan and the Western Chéile Cordic and Raytor the Tehe Conactic Slach agus tá Cainnigh Tachtan Saharit le Cian Byrne agus tá Cian Byrne Trish Count Alling a Hiola Harris Drasnown McDermott a bhfuil cuma an a réachtar ó ná dwair dul sa tansach istechan san iscrí Patrick Ryan. Cossan Tower, Ashkilin the Das Ladiga, Istechan Son, Tá Bertow, agus Tá Billy O'Brien, Nish Marshin, on Pastic and second cart, O'Brien! Billy O'Brien!
Really shake a dealer, father and son. Just has Sponsi on Lee Road and Cossan Tower. Culture Tevella, agus Sponsis and Anglo Right, agus Crunches and Danishes and Susan Count of Ula Posta.
Quainisha, Count the Huil na Biana, Femery and Mugsy Mulligan Blatahin, the Cullen Dalamalo, Eddie Kelly correct, the hero. Nutrition Harmola back to Achtam Mullen Wintermach. Nish Marshin Tall, Bertno True Lashtig, Fachten Sainishiga, Kilchenny Kevin Buggy, Krasnakan, Oisin Henderson, Itsawachan Kane, and Stripper Fork on the Yowig Mata, a Machlet Tiberdaren, Classicht, Bedden Arvin Tomet and Glassicht, Ali O'Donovan, Goody Jake Mullen, Agus Chainnigh Paddy McCormick, Ryan Blintahin, for real and Tossa, Agus is stolen, the major. Coming in now, against the Tiobraid, James Woodlock again, Pierre Ray Tour, Kjol Vint, Asavado, Bauta Avoin Dernoch, Toshe Tarlaher, Ta Tiobraid, let through dear, there's a novel after the Holt, Gil Chainnigh.
Tonight, we watched young men play hurling, and they played like men, and they will succeed in the future. Cogarges, Legok, Imroor, Ajimmer and Shahanok. But tonight belongs to the 13 men of Tiberdaren.
Carta Darroch on dirt. Ontas na nontas Tá Woodlock buile le sin.
I haven't seen the incident, but the referee wasn't too kind to us. When you're 13 down, you have no choice. But it was very easy to talk to the players. If they have a player sent off, if we have one sent off, if we have two, and when you have all the homework done, the boys didn't believe in everything you tell them. You talk about tactics, you talk about this, you have to have the heart and resilience in them, and they had every bit of that.
August Ace, Le Winter, Tiberdaren, and Mulla, Irachtaí, and Sourdiab.
I know the rivalry that's there, and it's a healthy one and a massive respect. It gives you a heart, it gives you a passion, and for the support, that's all they want.
Stefan Tugany Clifford! August Torcoon, Anthony Clifford!
If you stay fighting, you refuse to give up, it gives you an opportunity every day to play, and that's all we try and instill in them boys.
Nish Marshin on passing and second card, O'Brien!
They show a huge heart all through, they never gave up, they believed, that's the truth, they believed and believed.
Toshe Carlisle, Ta Tiberdaren, let through dear. There's a long and ochter the Holt, Gil Chainnigh.
The journey has been filled with challenges, but together we faced every obstacle with determination and spirit. These lads have embodied the true spirit of Tipperary, showing that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible.